your boAt Airdopes 1 earbud is refusing to charge, and we're going to fix it right now. This common issue with the boAt Airdopes 1 earbud not charging often stems from simple contact problems or software glitches. First, let's tackle the most frequent culprit, dirty charging contacts. Carefully inspect both the earbud's metal charging points and the corresponding pins inside the charging case. Even a tiny bit of debris can block the connection. Gently clean these contacts with a dry cotton swab or a soft, lint-free cloth. If that doesn't bring your earbud back to life, the issue often lies in a temporary software hiccup that a quick reset can resolve. Place both earbuds securely in the case, close the lid, and then locate the small reset button on the back of the charging case. Press and hold this button for about 15 to 20 seconds until you see the indicator light flash, signifying the reset is complete. Once the reset is done, reopen the case and see if the unresponsive earbud begins to charge. Should the problem persist, repairing your earbuds to your device can often clear up connection-related charging faults. Go into your phone's Bluetooth settings, forget your boAt Airdopes, and then proceed to repair them as if they were new. Finally, ensure your boAt Airdopes app is updated to the latest version, as firmware updates frequently contain fixes for charging bugs. Check within the app for any available firmware updates and install them promptly.